What's up, you guys? Finally, IKEA opened up in Estonia, and I cannot be more excited. I went there when they opened it, and I was actually very surprised that there weren't a lot of people, but I definitely love that because shopping while there's a huge masses of people is definitely super annoying because you cannot literally stop for 5 minutes without someone bumping into you or having this very, very angry face on. And I was so surprised how welcomed we were there. All the workers were literally clapping, and we were given the flags and a whole bunch of things. So definitely experience itself was extremely good, and I cannot express my happiness since I'm Estonian. I'm not able to be happy as everyone see. I was so happy because now I'm able to go there and just shop and just buy whatever I need. And IKEA was here, I believe, for 3 years in the studio store version. And if you wanted something, then you had to order that, and you basically had to wait for 2 weeks until you could actually get it. And now we can just walk into the store, we can go there, we can have entire day there, we can just have this amazing experience there. And when we need something, we can just drive there, we can look so many different options. We don't need to just choose one and just hope for the best. You can go there, you can start to think, how do you want this certain item to be amongst other items. Like, you can actually be a small interior designer for a second. And definitely I am so happy now. And Estonians have gone to Finland and Sweden and even Latvia for years just to get to IKEA. And I know that some people will never understand that, but when you've been surrounded by IKEA's flash mob for years, then definitely you understand that. Like, IKEA is just so simple. When you go there, you always know what you will get, and you never have to disappoint. And they definitely do everything in their power to sell everything. And now that I don't have to wait for weeks in order to get something, I can just take a car and just drive there and just buy whatever I need. And it's so amazing. And the fact that we can just go there now and just choose whatever we want to, we can just have the whole day for us. And the main thing is that we can go there and we can have lunch. Like, IKEA's meatballs are extremely popular, and I never leave the store without buying ice cream from IKEA. It literally cost 50 cents. Can you freaking believe it? 50 cents. I cannot wrap my head around it. It's just so crazy. And obviously I could not leave the store without buying stuff. Like, I bought a lot of stuff, and I think I paid like 85 euros or something. It's quite a lot. Like, prices have increased a lot. So definitely I could say that opening of IKEA in Estonia is amazing, and I definitely will visit that store more than once. So whoever just bought the house or apartment, then you guys are going to have an amazing time there. And the fact that they change certain items time to time now is even better. Like, I can go there after every 3 or 4 months and just enjoy some new items. It's amazing. So definitely go there. And IKEA is located in Kurna, and if you open the map, you will definitely see it's around 20-25 kilometers away from Tallinn. If you do not have a car, you can go there by bus. Like, they go quite often. It's like, I think, one bus after every 15 minutes. It's amazing. It's even better than my area where I'm living. So definitely go there, go see Estonian IKEA, and you will be super happy with the whole experience.